The purpose of this video is to show the different diode mode values on a NAND memory chip and how that information might be useful in locating the data and control signals. This is an older SanDisk micro SD card. First we start with the control signals. They all read as 0.54. While the data signals are 0.35. In this case, read enable is 0.54, most likely because the signal goes through the control logic and not the data logic. Read busy is 0.53, but it typically has a greater difference from the control signals. Using this information can give you a general idea of what pads connect to what signal, and test for shorts or wrong connections.